Transmission problems are scary, but understanding code P2825 can help you save money before you rebuild the whole unit. This code is for pressure control solenoid J, control circuit range performance. Your automatic transmission is basically a hydraulic machine. It uses pressurized fluid to squeeze clutches and hold bands to change gears. The computer controls this pressure using electric valves called solenoids. This specific code refers to a solenoid designated as J. When the computer tries to activate solenoid J to shift a gear or adjust line pressure, it watches for a specific change in the electrical circuit or the resulting hydraulic pressure. If the solenoid gets stuck, moves too slowly, or the electrical circuit behaves erratically, the computer sets this code. Symptoms can range from the transmission slipping and not catching the gear to harsh shifting where it feels like the car is banging into gear. You might also see the transmission go into limp mode, where it stays in one gear to prevent damage, or you might experience poor fuel economy. The causes are not always the solenoid itself. Dirty or low transmission fluid is a major culprit because these solenoids have tiny screens that can get clogged with debris. It could also be a defective transmission pump, a bad valve body, or damaged wiring leading to the transmission. Before you panic, check your transmission fluid level and condition. If the fluid smells burnt or looks black, you might have internal damage. If the fluid is clean and full, inspecting the wiring harness plugged into the transmission is the next step. Look for frayed wires or bent pins. If the wiring is good, a mechanic would use a scan tool to command solenoid J on and off to see if it responds. If it does not click or change pressure, the solenoid likely needs to be replaced. Since this involves dropping the transmission pan and dealing with sensitive electronics, if a fluid check does not fix it, it is best to visit a transmission specialist.